Hi guys, welcome back to Blue Whale Crypto. Today in this video, we will be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and what could be the possible next move of the market. We will talk about that in this video. Probably what we are watching out, first of all, we will look for the Bitcoin, okay? And the Bitcoin, as you can see that it had broken out from the previous support. The support that has been acting out pretty well for last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6th, and the 7th time we see a downward move from here. These all times we got a good support in the price of Bitcoin whenever we were reaching out to this level, to the support area that was nearly around $22,500 to $700. Now what we can see is in the 4-hourly time frame. Give me a moment, let me just remove all of it for the better understanding. Okay, so all right, so now what is the situation for the Bitcoin, what we can look for inside the price of Bitcoin, or how we can take our next setup for the Bitcoin. As I informed you yesterday, that if we break below this level, then we have a good short opportunity inside the market. Looking out some of the altcoins, I'll also provide you some of the information for the altcoins as well. And on the other hand, as I told you, there are two possibilities. The first thing that could happen is that the Bitcoin had grabbed the liquidity right below the support. Okay, this is the main last zone that could be $22,300. So it could be possible that Bitcoin could grab the liquidity right here, and then it can move upside because it's crypto, and this type of pattern, this type of things are very much similar and very much likely to happen. So on the other hand, that I'm looking out right now, if you see it on a technical perspective, the price is not able to sustain. Okay, there is not much of a good volume and the price is not able to sustain. In that case, what we need is a 4-hourly close below this area shows that the bears are taking the charge. Okay, the bears are already taking the charge. So in this case, if you are willing to take the risk, according to technical perspective, what we can look for a short position inside the Bitcoin would be right here. You can keep your stop loss very tight. That could be $23,100, very tight stop loss. In the case that we hit our stop loss, then in that case you can look for a long opportunity going for, I'll talk about that in a later part. Okay, so in this case, what you can do is you can take your profits nearly around $21,400. You can take your entry at $22,554, and this could be a very good short opportunity for the Bitcoin. Okay, this is what I believe could be possible happen. So on the other hand, if you see that the price of Bitcoin had just grabbed the liquidity and then went up, that in that case you need to keep a very tight stop loss with a take profit target for $24,500. This is the range in which you can book out your total profits. Yesterday we put it out a tight stop loss for the Bitcoin, which didn't worked out pretty well for us. But on the other hand, if we talk about NEAR, that had proven us, that has given us a good amount of profit. It's just because the BTC movement is not supporting the price of alts, and that's the reason the alts are failing at this point. Yesterday, as soon as we took the entry right here, it went up for like 13%. And I also tried booking 230% or 230 to 260% profit with a 25x leverage, and I shared the details and the results with you guys on my Telegram. All right, so this was it about Bitcoin and NEAR. We will go back to Bitcoin, and most probably we can look for a short opportunity on a technical perspective. Okay, if you are looking with a technical perspective, we can look for a short opportunity. Now coming up with the next thing that we need to consider right now in order to get a more confirmation that we are going to go down or we're going to go upside. So in that case, we are having Ethereum, the same format like Bitcoin. In this case, we need a close below this area. That is going to be probably around $1,600. Right at $1,600, if we get a close below this area, yes, we are going for a downtrend inside the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the altcoins. Now, this is just going to be a confirmation. If we don't get a close below this area, and if we get a good closing above this area, like an engulfing candle, in this case, you can look for a long opportunity at $1,630. Okay, this is for Ethereum, not financial advice, not one of the coins that is right now to be very charming to get an entry in. But yes, I informed you about Bitcoin. Now the next thing that we will talk about is going to be Doge. That I took the entry, I booked some profits, and I will look for a new entry if I get the opportunity. So what we are watching out right now, it's a rising wedge. Okay, the pattern that you are watching out right now is called a rising wedge. As soon as I see a breakdown, I took a quick entry, because many times because of the BTC movement we see a quick downfall inside the alts, and on the technical perspective as well, this coin has broken down, due to which I took a good short scalping inside the Doge. Now if you're getting a short rejection from this trend line at $22,720 on the Bitcoin, and on the other hand, if you're getting a rejection on the Doge coin, if you want, you can also write it down. It's going to be 0.08875. If we get a rejection within this range, with this range to up to 0.9060, then you can completely gonna look for a short scalp opportunity inside the Dogecoin. Okay, and you can keep your stop loss right here. Your take profit could be very far. So you can grab your most of your profits, nearly around 0.618 fib retracement, where we can see a bounce back. So this is the range in which you should keep on booking your profits. It's going to be 1:1.5 profit ratio, and if we get the whole one, then in that case it will be 1:2, something like that. Okay, yeah. So this was all about it. I was not trying to get into any such of the alts, because these were not sustainable pumps. There was one more that I was supposed to provide you yesterday, but if you see, I have got the pattern ready with me. If you see on the 4-hourly time frame, it was a bullish flag pattern which was supposed to broke out, and I draw the pattern for you guys, but you can see a clear wick which shows the market is not sustainable and the price went down. So in this case, we are not trying to get inside to any trade. CRV, yes, I will try to provide you once I get a confirmation on this coin. So this was all about it. Quick market update for the movement of the market. I explained you every single thing. If you do love the video, do make sure to like it and show your love in the comment section. Do make sure to inform every single thing what you want next in the next video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.